guys, we are back now. Let's do and see how we can create this amazing template or whatever you call it. You see it has a great effect and work amazingly, but now let's see how we create this. Some of you may think and ask how we can create something like this, these shapes. They are really easy to create and I'm going to show you how to create them, but let me just at first reset everything. Okay, at first we need a text that we have here. This text is really an easy one and we can just create it. After creating the text, we add a new slide and paste the text here. Just make it better. Okay, the text has been created. Now, in the next thing, we need to create these two shapes. For creating these two shapes, at first we need to create a new slide. And in this slide, try to create this. Okay, let's go. At first, we need a rectangle. A big one. I think a big one is good one. And then we need to add some shape to create this effect. Some of you may have guessed some way to create this, but I'm going with easy one. Something like this. It's maybe guess of yours, but no, it's not the right way. For creating that, you need to add some shapes. You need to be creative. For example, we add a shape here, and then we add this shape here. Then we create this thing here by doing this, and we need to just reduce it in size to get the right curve. Then increase it a little. Then we need to insert a rectangle, make it big enough, and after that just rotate it to be in the right place. Okay, something like this is good. Now we just need to fix it. It's not an easy work to fix it, but you can done the job if you have a little patience. Okay, we create this. Then we need to fix it on the other side too. We reduce it in size. And we try to fix it. Somehow we need to reduce it in size. There is one trick that do the job better for us. You can use it always, but I want to just show you that we can do the thing like this. The other trick is better is to just copy these things, these rectangles, and they do the job for you. You see, they are more clean. Let me just change the color for it. They are more clean, more beautiful, and more sensible. But there is always, when there is a will, there is a way. You can use another way if you want, or this way. This way is more easier, but that way I say a little more professional or something like this. Then after merging the picture, we select both of them and go to something that we need, fragment. By making it fragment, we can delete these things that we don't need, and then we union these two to create the effect. Some of you may ask and say we forget some effects here that is not this thing. We don't have it, but it's not a problem. For adding that, we just need to change a little things to have the effect, or we can just escape it for now. Let's escape it. Oh, sorry, it's not going to save anything. Let me just select all of them, make them union, and then select both of them and fragment. Okay, everything is ready. You can also just delete this thing and then reduce it in size, but I don't like doing much work. Because of that, I make these two things union, and okay, we have a problem here. Make these two things Okay, it's good. Now we need to make the outline none. Some of you may ask, sometimes these things happened here, how we can fix it? You must use your, you must use your mind to fix the problem. Always there is a problem. The tutorials that are everything is great and everything is working right are good, but they are not the real thing. You become better by solving the problems, because the problems are always the answers. We select all of them and make them union. You see, the problem has been fixed. Now we need to create this effect. How we can create this? We bring this to front and then go to color. Select all of them and make the color black. And go to this thing and also weight it much more. Okay, we create a weight also. Then the thing you need to do after that is go to here, format shape, and use glow. What glow make? You see? And set the color of the glow to this color. Now this effect has been created, but I create this effect in the past in the better phase. Because of that I'm going to use that. You can make it by a little more effort. Let's use that. How to create this thing? You just simply need to connect to the internet and go to icons. Here you find the icons you need. It take a time sometimes, and sometimes don't take a time. I don't know how it's work. Okay, it say you don't have internet, but you can find the icons here. After finding icons, you insert that. Let me just simply copy the icon, and after inserting that, you go to graphic format and change the graphic color to the thing you want. For that, the blue is good. Also, the color we use is good, but it's better to be the same color. After adding that, you have your text page. What you need to do, you need to add this icon to, this is the icon we use but in a little shape. And also the text is the easy one. You just use a formatting from here, this formatting, and also for a text overdrive sunset font we use. You can download it, and the tutorial on how installing that is in our channel. But let's see now what we do. We just copy all of them and paste them here, and then we just simply bring these things out. You can bring them completely out or a little in. I say completely out, and delete this shape. Now set the transition to morph. Let the magic happens. You see, it's pretty beautiful and amazing. If you like things like this, don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments, and please like and subscribe if you like my contents. Until next time, have a nice time.